peeps, so I just got home. It's for, look at my goddaughter and my nieces and nephews. Okay, so I'm currently getting gifts for my job because done, and I got these cute little bags, and I was like, everything looks good, but what is even better, give them my lip gloss. Put my lip glosses, make sure you guys are on there tight. Put my lip glosses on in the bag as a little gift. So I'm going to go in my storage and put the lip glosses on and do it. So I think that's what I'm getting ready to do. And get comfy and rest for the evening. So cute and a great idea to do, guys. So let me get on and pop in. Great. Mom got the dryer going. But I thought that would have been so great of an idea just to insert your cosmetics in. And I need to get me some more labels. I need to make a budget. And I have on gloves, safety first. I need to make a budget. That's my goal next year. My new labels are so freaking cute. I love them. So I'm thinking about giving everyone a lip gloss, which was like the most generous thing. So I have a blue lip gloss that I'm giving away. Bluebell. I'm giving away Icy. That is available right now. The sad thing I want to talk about in the blog too is getting rid of Lucky. I am getting rid of Lucky because Lucky wasn't my #1 seller. So it's no longer on the website. Which is sad. No more Lucky. Ever. I don't know if it might be necessarily an ever thing, but it just wasn't really my top seller. But these things are my go-tos, like the Hello Gorgeous. So I'm like, yes, yes. Oh, go ahead.
See, you be thinking about too what color you be wanting your guest room.
Because I know this theme is gonna be a theme of my room.
Okay, yeah, that.
See, perfect. And my lip gloss.
Yeah. Oh, you giving all them one? I thought you giving the ones that you didn't.
I'm gonna give one. So they've been wanting to test it out. So I'm like, hey, this is like a little special gift for me to you.
Okay.
So
they got your names on.
My business name on it. And I'm giving it my Hello Gorgeous. So my news coverage is acting crazy as usual. They always, you know, do what you're systems. But you guys can see it's a Saturn and Jupiter. Be great connection. So let me go outside and let me see what the hype is about. Crap, you can't see anything but street lights. Nothing major. Y'all be sealed. Say Christmas.
Say what, Mary? Okay,
You
look at me. One. Look at me.
Alright, I gotta take some. I'm recording.
Okay, everybody gonna get a middle pitch. Okay. Okay, ready? And then look at me. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. Stay there. Y'all need something.
Okay, ready? 1.
Look at me. 1 and trail. 1, 2 and trail. Look. Okay.
And then
Go to the fireplace.
alright, cheese. Look at the camera. Here. Look at me.
Okay, okay, look at me. And trail. Look. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a cute one. Christmas photos.
Miriam, come here by yourself.
What was that high pitched voice for?
I say happy. Yes. Whatever, Miriam.
Stop and throw some shade.
Jeremiah, yours by yourself. Then we get ready to get started. Come on.
This is for YouTube.
Wait a minute, guys.
Oh, we have a baby here. We're doing a YouTube.
What do you guys get ready to do?
Bake cookies. Bake cookies and brownies. And I'm gonna eat these cookies.
So what are your favorite type of icing for cookies?
Me. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Well, we don't got any chocolate.
We got some
Ooh.
Wait a minute, guys.
sprinkles.
Pull it
Sprinkles.
up at work.
Ooh. And ooh.
And then
Get eggs.
The cookie sheet. Those, the terry, whatever you call them sheets.
Oh, butter.
The partial.
Yeah, and have fly right off of it.
Oh, here, Mom.
I had to get some on the other day.
Put them over there.
Cupcakes too?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all making cake and
You see it, bitch?
Yeah.
good.
Oh! I didn't go to school.
What daycare?
What else you need to get out? And we got
Baby.
the cupcake holder,
Hold your pen.
the measurement. Oh,
Here.
1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Alright. Yes.
Wait a minute. Okay, so make you
That's
have no
the
shake.
Colombian style.
Okay.
God.
Go ahead, Mary.
It's like, go that way.
You
Go
have
that
to
way.
open it up, Mary, with your
You
hands.
gotta be in the kitchen to help cook.
Mary, oh, thank you.
Y'all wanna go live for a little
Make sure
bit?
no shell.
Jeremiah.
You gonna
Jeremiah said he's ready.
Yeah.
Dang.
here, put in your cup.
It's coming.
So the baking continue, you guys. So right now they're finishing up the cookie portion, which I'm missing half of the.
Let me Miriam put yours.
Hey everybody.
You said 20.
Now we're watching Jingle Jangle.
Now watch mine. 30 and we're watching. Dasher and Dancer. And Prancer and Vixen.
Oh my gosh.
Cupid and Donner and Blitzster.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Don't forget.
Yes, cooking, baking cookies. It was everywhere but success. I have too much sugar and I'm gonna regret it. But it was a worth it night, you guys. So now it is approximately 8:45-ish. And I'm getting ready to just chill the rest of the night because I'll watch some Christmas movies and call it a night. Because I think that's what I need to do. Alright guys.